We are at Sign China. This is the biggest event for everyone in the signage industry, with visitors and participants from over 145 countries gathering here for new business opportunities. This exhibition has become an annual event for us. And this time, we have brought 9 machines that are perfect instruments for producing signs and all other types of advertisement. Let me show them to you. Let's start with the main star of this season, the CO2 laser machine, Wattsan 6090 Pro. This new line of equipment incorporates all the most advanced ideas in the CO2 laser sphere. Our engineers have completely reversed the components and redesigned the construction, building fire alarm, chiller, and compressor. A new radar control system, stepper models with feedback for real-time correction, a new mechanism for the lifting table, and many more improvements. It's faster, more accurate, and overall superior. You can learn more about this model here. Now to another model that is also a reimagining of a classic, the Wattsan 1313A. This is a sheet metal cutter reinforced with fireproof bricks. Its profile is slightly lower than the standard machine, offering greater stability. Furthermore, it features a tubular frame, making it lighter. It can cut carbon steel up to 20 mm, stainless steel up to 8 mm, and aluminum or brass up to 5 mm. Let's continue with machines that work with metals. This is the Wattsan 5-in-1, a multifunctional welding machine. It can not only weld, but also clean, cut, and perform weld cleaning and energy storage welding. It comes with various nozzles that can be switched easily. Just like that. The handgun, by the way, is from Wattsan. It features 2 mirrors that help change the size and form of the beam. Next, let's look at the laser cleaning machine, the Wattsan PA. It is equipped with a 300-watt JP laser source. This pulse cleaning technology can adjust the pulse duration while maintaining peak power. This allows for delicate cleaning, making it suitable for materials sensitive to high temperatures. The Wattsan PA removes thick layers of paint, oil, and grease from both metals and non-metals. Now, let's move on to our laser marking machines. We have 2 here. First is the Wattsan UVTT. It can process almost everything. It can engrave glass, metals, wood, and even food or diamonds. It offers exceptionally high working precision because the laser spore diameter is much smaller than other types, and its wavelength is 355 nanometers. Therefore, it's ideally used for applying permanent identification markings, long-lasting, high-quality image, QR codes, and miniature inscriptions. Then, we have the FLTT laser marking machine with a JPD M7 MOPA fiber laser source. Thanks to the MOPA technology, which allows for adjustment to the frequency range and pulse length, it can achieve a wide spectrum of colors on various materials, create high-quality, deep engravings, mark very thin material sheets without any deformation, and produce high-contrast markings on plastics. Now, onto our CNC router. We will go in order of increasing working area size. The first is the 0609mm milling machine. It's a small but mighty machine, weighing 175 kilograms. It offers excellent stability and reduced vibrations. The 0609mm features a 2.2 kilowatt spindle and ball screw on all axes, which provides smooth movement and a high load capacity. The second router is the 1325A1. This is the big professional CNC machine. Here we have the model with a T-saw table and a 3.2 kilowatt spindle. It can process the majority of standard workpiece sizes and materials like wood, MDF, acrylic, and non-ferrous metals. And the last one is the Wattsan 1325M3. This is a special model and it tries as far as other routers due to its automatic true charger for 8 instruments. Additionally, we equip it with a 7.5 kilowatt spindle for fast and efficient work. It also has a vacuum table for stable material fixation. By the way, we don't just sell these machines. We also offer dealer programs. If you want to launch your own business with our equipment or become the exclusive Wattsan representative in your region, as some companies have already successfully done, then scan this QR code or follow the link in the description below. Join the Wattsan family. That was our booth at Signage China. Come visit us at future exhibition to see all these machines and more in actions. You can check our planning events here on Telegram or WeChat. You have been watching the Wattsan channel. My name is Coco. Subscribe and like this video so you don't miss the next one. Bye bye!